Hey everyone, welcome back to Information House. Today we're diving into fresh territory, juicing at home. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, boost your nutrient game, or just want a smooth pour every morning, you're in the right place. I've tested dozens of models and narrowed it down to the top 5 juicer machines of 2025. From high-speed centrifugal machines to slow masticating cold press champions. Whether you're making carrot celery shots, leafy green blends, or fresh fruit beverages, I'll break down the strengths, trade-offs, and what to watch out for. Stick around to find out which model is best for you. If you're short on time, skip ahead to the list. If you're here for the full why, stay tuned. Then check the description for direct buy links. Let's get juicing. 5. Ado Juicer Machine. Introducing the Ado Smart Cold Press Juicer, the future of healthy living. Meet the Ado Smart Juicer, your new kitchen assistant powered by the innovative Ado app. Simply scan your fruits, and the app instantly suggests personalized juice recipes packed with detailed nutrition data, including calories, vitamins, and antioxidants, so you can craft science-backed blends for a healthier lifestyle. With its 5.8-inch large feed chute, you can fit whole fruits and veggies, saving precious prep time, while the 1.7 liters capacity ensures enough juice for the whole family. Operating at a gentle 50 RPM, this slow cold press juicer locks in enzymes, nutrients, and flavor for richer, foam-free juice. Backed by a 250-watt high-power motor and 7-stage cold press technology, it delivers higher juice yields and drier pulp every time. Safety comes first with an auto-stop design that halts operation if the cover is opened, perfect for homes with kids or seniors. And with 3 years of warranty and 24/7 customer support, Ado guarantees quality, performance, and peace of mind. Upgrade your juicing game today, because with Ado, every drop counts. QSen Juicer Machine. Upgrade your juicing experience with the upgraded 500-watt centrifugal juicer machine, built for speed, power, and efficiency. Its high-speed 500-watt motor delivers stronger performance than cold-press juicers and lasts much longer than the competition. The 3-inch wide-mouthed chute saves you time by letting you drop in whole fruits and veggies without endless chopping. With dual-speed control, 12,000 to 18,000 RPM, you can juice both soft fruits like oranges and strawberries on one, or hard produce like carrots, apples, and celery on two. Designed with your safety in mind, this juicer features a locking arm system and overload protection to ensure secure, worry-free operation. Plus, all detachable parts are easy to clean, so you can enjoy fresh, healthy juice every day with minimal hassle. The upgraded 500-watt juicer machine. Powerful, safe, and built to make juicing effortless. 3. Wypone Juicer Machine. Looking for a powerful and efficient juicer that makes healthy living easier? Introducing the 5.8-inch cold press juicer machine, designed to save you time while delivering maximum nutrition. With its extra-large 5.8-inch feed chute, you can juice whole fruits and veggies without chopping. The slow 55 RPM cold press technology gently squeezes every drop to preserve nutrients and natural flavors. No heat, no oxidation. Thanks to its dual non-clogging strainers, you'll enjoy up to 99% juice yield with zero residue. Plus, it's incredibly convenient. Just 3 easy steps to assemble, use, and clean. Built with a heavy-duty, durable design and smart safety lock, this juicer ensures long-lasting performance and family-safe operation. Experience pure, fresh juice every day, the smarter, safer, and more efficient way. 2. Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine. Looking for the ultimate juicing experience? Meet America's #1 juice extractor brand, the Hamilton Beach Big Mouth Juicer. With a powerful 800-watt motor, this durable juicer delivers maximum juice yield from both hard and soft fruits and veggies, from crisp apples to leafy greens. The extra-large 3-inch chute saves you time by fitting whole produce, so no more tedious pre-cutting. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe removable parts and a handy cleaning brush. Plus, you get peace of mind with a 3-year limited warranty. Compare the competition. No one beats the Big Mouth when it comes to power, convenience, and performance. 1. Akakus Juicer Machine. Discover the power of the Akakus 300-watt masticating juicer. Featuring a large 5.3-inch feeding chute, this juicer makes it effortless to add whole apples, carrots, and other produce. No more tedious chopping. Its automatic feeding design delivers quick, fresh, and flavorful juice every time. With a 99% superior juice extraction rate, you'll enjoy every drop of smooth, pulp-free goodness packed with nutrients. Made from BPA-free materials, it ensures safe, chemical-free juicing for you and your family. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to its simple, no-metal, easy-to-assemble design. Plus, enjoy overheat protection and automatic stop when the lid is opened, making it extra safe for everyone to use. Backed by a 2-year worry-free warranty, this juicer is the perfect gift for weddings, birthdays, housewarmings, or holidays. Start your healthy lifestyle today with the Akoku's Slow Juicer. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best juicer machines of 2025. Whether you're into fresh orange juice, green smoothies, or cold-pressed detox blends, there's definitely a juicer here that fits your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our future product reviews and buying guides. All the juicer machines featured in this video are linked in the description below, so make sure to check them out for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and keep juicing.